Hey everyone, check out the Guichon Wireless Meat Thermometer with 4 color-coded probes for precise barbecue cooking. It offers a strong 500-foot remote range so you can monitor your grill or oven from anywhere. The fast, accurate readings range from 14 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit with plus or minus 1.8 degree accuracy. Splash-proof transmitter and washable probes make cleanup easy and hassle-free. It features preset USDA temperatures for 10 types of meat plus a probe mode and 5 doneness levels. The wide backlit screen and alert alarms keep you informed even in bright sunlight or dim conditions. This thermometer also works as a timer with adjustable countdown and count-up functions. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.